Meet the ultimate leak-proof connector for your vaping and fluid systems. This transparent, double helix design creates a perfect, airtight seal every time with its innovative spiral structure. Made from durable, medical-grade plastic, it ensures zero spills and maximum reliability for your devices. Simply click it into place and enjoy worry-free performance during everyday use. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart gadget discoveries and exclusive deals. Key features include Luer lock compatibility, sterile transparent construction, and availability in packs of 50, 100, or 200 pieces.